This is the Renown model by Webb here at Viera. This is part of the Echelon Series, and if you're looking for the best of the best, this is it. You're not going to want to miss it. Let's go. The Renown at Webb, if you're looking for the best of the best, this is going to be it. These are the 64-foot home sites from the Echelon Series. These have 3-car garages. No, this one doesn't come with the included Christmas palm in front of the golf cart garage. It is a model, but you get the point. This is going to be the highest level of home that you can get here. So I'm going to take you through, give you a better understanding of the different configurations that this home comes in. As you can see, the square footage can range from 2,800 plus. So I'll give you some more idea on what that means if you configure it a little bit differently. We're also going to talk about pricing, cost of ownership, and the type of upgrades that you can do. I will see you inside. Now the Renown comes in several different configurations. The one that we're going to be looking at today is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom with an office at 2,808 square feet. I'll give you a little bit more perspective as we work our way through it on some of the other options and changes that you can make that'll kind of change the square footage and layout of the home. So let's start off in the front since that's where we are. Now this is going to be the 3rd bedroom. Again, this will be a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. If you've seen some of our other videos about Webb Viera, a lot of times you've got flexibility in the bedroom. So Renown comes as a 3-bedroom. The biggest difference, as you'll see, is going to be with an additional bathroom, which I'll tell you a little bit more about here shortly. So this front bedroom is an actual full bedroom suite. So you've got a full bathroom in here, a nice big vanity. It is a single sink vanity, toilet, walk-in shower with a 0 entry there. So really good sized bathroom, perfect for guest suite right off the front of the house. You'll notice the ceilings throughout this home are high. It's got big open doorways, and there's lots of upgrades, or there's lots of features that a lot of times are considered upgrades in other communities. In fact, Webb has a ton of included features. If you guys are interested in that, then definitely reach out. I'd be happy to send that to you. It's really too much for me to cover in this video. And if you're interested in moving to Viera, we help people all the time do that. We'd love the opportunity to help you as well. You can call, text, or email. I've got our contact information in the description of this video. So let's continue to work our way through the front of the house here. You've got the 1st bedroom suite up here. So full bed or bedroom with full bathroom. Then you've got the half bathroom right here off of the front. So that's perfect for any visitors of the house. You've got the half bathroom with just basically a toilet and then your pedestal sink. And then as you kind of start working your way into the house here, there's a couple different ways you can go. Like I said, if you want the best of the best, this is it. I'm going to take you over here in a minute, but we'll start off on this side. This is going to be the office. So this is a true office. It's got French doors. Let me give you the dimensions of this room are 14.5 by 12. And actually I forgot to give you the dimensions of the 1st bedroom. That room is about the same size. It's about 14.5 by 12. So these are, bigger than standard bedrooms. They're a very good size. So let's continue on into the main living space of this house. You'll notice you've got high ceilings, tons and tons of natural lighting, nice open concept, kitchen, dining, and gathering space. And what I want to do is I want to take you up here first. We're going to come back. We're going to explore the kitchen a little bit more. We're going to explore these areas. But I want to go through here, kind of tie in this whole side of the house so you guys get some full perspective on the way everything flows. You'll notice you've got the little wet bar here. You've got a walk-in pantry. This is that hallway that was right off of the front door. As we work our way down here, you've got the laundry room off to the right, your garage is here, and then you actually have another bedroom suite behind me, which we're going to continue on into now. So this will be, let's call this bedroom 2. The dimensions on this room are 12 by 12. So this one's slightly smaller, but it does have the full bath. It's got the walk-in closet right here, high ceilings, recessed lighting. Now this bathroom is configured the way this one's set up is it does have the tub shower combo. Of course, you have the ability to reconfigure that. If you just want to walk in shower, that's something that you could do. So follow me this way and we're going to hit the garage since we're here. Now this is a 3-car garage. You'll notice that there's no step going from the home into the garage. It's basically pretty smooth entry. You do have the little threshold there. They've got the polished epoxy floors in here. So you've got your 2-car garage bay on this side, and then your single car over here. Golf cart is in here, charged up, ready to go. The ceilings in the garage are higher as well, so if you did want to do some recessed hanging shelving, you have the ability to do that. It's pre-plumbed for a sink, if you want a sink out here. And you'll notice that there's no water heater out here. That's because Del Webb at Viera is on natural gas, and the water heaters are tankless water heaters. They're mounted to the side of the house. There's also no storm shutters in here because these come standard with hurricane wind rated impact windows, so they don't have any storm shutters. The garage door openers are Wi-Fi ready, so you'll get an app on your phone. You can control all that. And you do have some smart switches throughout the home. So across from the garage is gonna be the laundry room. So we'll kind of work our way into that room. You've got sink in the laundry room, plenty of room for cabinetry and countertop space over here. They've got this one built out with cabinets and countertops. You've got a standard closet here, and then your low voltage panel is in here. So you've got all your Cat 6 cables, your modem, your router, all that stuff is gonna be in here and be ready to go. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna kind of head back out. We're gonna go back and check out the kitchen. Then we're gonna go back outside, or go outside. I'm gonna show you the pool, all the living space, and talk more about pricing, cost of ownership, and everything else you need to know about Del Webb at Viera. The kitchen on this Renown floor plan is absolutely incredible. Now, of course, this one has upgrades. It's got the built-ins, but I love the space here. The island is massive. I mean, they've got 4 stools here. You could comfortably fit 4 people at this island. Single tub sink in the island, dishwasher. I love the mermaid tile backsplash. Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments. I think this is a 36-inch cooktop, natural gas. It's got the built-in oven right here. You've got a secondary built-in wall oven right here as well. And you've even got your wine cooler and your little dry bar right here. Really, really nice kitchen. Tons and tons of natural light through here. And follow me this way. Let's go in and check out this primary bedroom. This master is massive. It's an absolutely huge bedroom. Yes, I just appeared in the closet. Follow me this way because there is something special that I didn't show you earlier that I think is an absolutely really cool feature. The closet off of the bathroom in the master connects to your laundry room. So if you kind of remember where we were earlier on the tour, you've got your washer and dryer here and your countertop. So you can basically bring all your dirty laundry right through the bathroom, straight into the master, and dump it right here in the laundry room. So let's head it back outside. I'm gonna show you this amazing pool area. We're gonna talk more about pricing, cost of ownership, and some of the structural changes that you can make here at the Renown model. The outdoor living space on the Renown is incredible as well. I would say aside from the kitchen, my second favorite feature is probably this corner pocket slider. It's got an amazing view. The lanai area is great. Everything's pre-wired for your outdoor kitchen or pre-plumbed for your outdoor kitchen. You've got your electrical outlets, the gas lines, and even the plumbing for your outdoor kitchen and sink. Now, some of the structural upgrades that I mentioned earlier, one of which being an extended gathering room. Essentially, that would add about another 145 feet to the home, and it's gonna pull this back wall flush with this. So this area right here would now become air-conditioned square footage. So that's one of the upgrades. The other one is going to be the addition of the 4th bathroom, the pool bath. If you opt for that upgrade, it's gonna add a 4th bathroom right here. So it's gonna have doors that would be accessible from the pool area so people could access that 4th bathroom. Now, of course, this particular one does have a pool. That's one of the best features about Del Webb is the outdoor living space. I mean, it's all about lifestyle here. So this pool right here, I would say is probably considered part of their luxury pool package. As far as like costs go, when you're doing these type of structural upgrades or pool upgrades or even finishes inside the home, there's a couple different things to consider. The first is going to be your actual monthly cost for ownership here. Now, this is part of the Echelon Series, which we mentioned before. So these are going to give you that larger home site. The monthly association for the Echelon Series is going to come in at $380 per month. Now, that's going to be all inclusive with all of your landscaping. It's going to include your cable, your internet. You're even going to get that gold level membership at the Duran Golf Club. Now, I can give you a full list of what that includes. If you guys are interested in that, just reach out. I'll be happy to provide that to you. Now, there is an initial contribution fee of $2,000, and then the clubhouse is slated to be finished in 2025. When that finishes, there will be an $840 initiation fee for that. Until that's complete, what Del Webb is doing is they're actually going to take a model home or a spec home that they're building and put a gym in there, make their own little fitness center. I think they're gonna do some type of outdoor living area. So they are working on some type of interim amenities as well until that clubhouse is done. Now, this is part of the Central Viera Community Association, so that's gonna cost $230 per year. And then the Viera Stewardship District is gonna run $1,135 per year. So we've covered cost of ownership in the community. Now, what does a Renown like this actually cost? Well, the base price on this model home starts at $659,000. Lot premiums have ranged anywhere between $45,000 to $135,000 on the Echelon Series. So depending on whether you have a corner lot, water view, a combination of the two, that's going to be the biggest thing that impacts your lot premium. And then of course, the other thing to consider is whether you're adding a pool. The basic pool package is going to start at $100,000. That'll get you the pool, paver driveway, screen enclosure. A pool like this would be part of the luxury pool package. That's going to start closer to $150,000. And then the other thing to consider are just what type of upgrades you would want in your home, whether those are structural or cosmetic. Of course, those are going to affect price. If you want a better understanding of what the actual cost of something like this home would be, definitely reach out. We'll get you the most up-to-date, accurate information as possible. You can call, text, or email. And maybe this Renown plan isn't quite the right fit for you. That's okay. Del Webb has a lot of other floor plans that we're actually going to go explore right now. If you'd like to join us for that, you can do that right here. I'll see you guys there.